Amidst the whirlwind of life, there are moments when the universe seems to whisper in your ear, guiding you towards a deep and often forgotten truth. You're sitting there, maybe sipping on a coffee or watching the leaves dance in the wind, and suddenly, an unexplainable feeling washes over your being. It's as if an invisible force is telling you that something special is about to unfold. Have you ever stopped to ponder upon this? The signs of the heart are subtle yet powerful. They can manifest in a melody that touches your soul, in a deep gaze that makes you feel alive, or even in the gentle breeze that caresses your skin, bringing a familiar and comforting scent. Every synchronicity, every unexpected encounter, carries the signature of the angels who wish for you to recognize the beauty of true connection. Can you sense it? The pulse of love that surrounds you, waiting to be acknowledged? The truth is, often we get lost in the distractions of day-to-day life. Worries and challenges engulf us, creating a veil that separates us from this inner light. However, the angels are always around you, ready to illuminate your path. They want you to know that this call of the heart is an invitation to reconnect with your deepest essence. Think about a recent situation where you felt a special connection with someone. What happened in that moment? What feelings arose? Many people share that in times of doubt or insecurity, a simple memory or gesture can transform them. It's as if the universe is conspiring to remind you that you are worthy of love and happiness. And that brings us to a crucial point. Are you willing to open your heart and allow the light to come in? The angels encourage you to do so, to take the first step towards this connection. But how? A simple ritual could be the key. Take a moment out of your day, light a candle, and close your eyes. Breathe deeply and feel the energy around you. Repeat to yourself, I acknowledge the love that surrounds me and I am ready to receive it. You will feel a transformation. Now, as you reflect on this connection, a question stands out. What are the angels trying to show you through these signs? They have a special message for you, and it will be revealed soon. With every beat of your heart, remember that you are not alone on this journey. The love that is about to unfold may be deeper than you can imagine. What comes next? The answer may be closer than you think. Prepare yourself to discover how this connection can unfold in surprising ways, illuminating the path ahead of you. The path you walk is filled with challenges, isn't it? Sometimes, it feels like emotional barriers rise up like insurmountable mountains, not allowing you to move towards your deepest desires. But know that, at this very moment, the angels are by your side, whispering in your heart that it is possible to overcome each of these difficulties. Imagine yourself on a sunny day, where the gentle breeze caresses your face, bringing with it the promise of new possibilities. Have you ever reflected on how fears can be like dark clouds, obscuring the light that is your essence? Each of us experiences moments when insecurity sets in, creating a space of doubt and hesitation. It's natural to feel this way, but it's time to challenge that resistance that tries to imprison you. The angels have a clear message for you. Don't let fear dictate the rules of your life. Remember that time when you felt paralyzed in front of a crucial decision. What did you do? Often, the answer lies within you, waiting to be discovered. When faced with an emotional obstacle, ask yourself, what is truly holding me back from moving forward? The answers may be surprising. Notice how nature has its own way of teaching us about resilience. Flowers bloom even in the most adverse conditions, defying gravity and finding their space under the sun. You are that flower, with an inner brightness that deserves to shine brightly. And the angels are here, helping you blossom. Throughout your journey, it is essential that you acknowledge your emotions. Acceptance is the first step towards transformation. Allow yourself to feel, without judgments. By doing so, you begin to dismantle the barriers that prevent you from connecting with the love and happiness you desire. You are not alone. The presence of the angels is a constant reminder that, even in the darkest hours, there is light available to guide you. And it is in this moment of reflection that the question arises, what are you willing to release to make room for the new? The angels encourage you to let go of what no longer serves your evolution. This could be a feeling, a belief, or even a relationship that keeps you stagnant. By shedding what weighs you down, you become lighter, more open to the blessings that the universe has to offer. Imagine yourself lighting a candle, while reflecting on your intentions. Feel the warmth of the flame, which is like the angels illuminating your path. Say out loud, I am ready to face my fears and open my heart to love. This affirmation is not just a sentence. It is a call to your essence, an invitation to dance with life, even when the music seems off-key. Now, as you allow yourself to explore these emotions, ask yourself, what are the angels trying to show me in this moment? This is a space to listen to the wisdom that comes from the divine. You may feel a lightness, a gentle breeze, as if something is shifting within you. That's the celestial energy that materializes when you open yourself to new possibilities. And as you conclude this moment of reflection, know that there is something deeper waiting for you. The angels wish to share a secret about the strength that lies within your vulnerability. Get ready, because this revelation could transform the way you see your challenges. By embracing your emotions, you not only become stronger, but also more connected to your true essence. What lies ahead? The answer may surprise you, so continue this journey of self-discovery with an open heart. Amidst the silence and the frantic pace of life, there's a soft melody that often goes unnoticed. Have you ever stopped to listen? It's the sweet symphony of angelic messages, guidance flowing from the divine and always available to those who are open to listening. The angels, with their luminosity and celestial energy, are ready to whisper deep truths to your heart. And you, seeking answers and clarity, are the reason why this communication is so essential. Life is full of challenges that push us towards doubt. In moments of uncertainty, you may feel lost, like a leaf in the wind. But know that even in the darkest storms, the angels are there, ready to guide you. They may manifest in subtle ways, a gentle breeze touching your face, a coincidence that seems overly perfect, or even a thought that emerges unexpectedly. Have you ever wondered how these signs could be the answers you're seeking? Picture yourself on a peaceful day, maybe sipping your favorite coffee or strolling through a park surrounded by trees. Now, close your eyes for a moment and take a deep breath. When you open your eyes, pay attention to your surroundings. The leaves dancing in the wind aren't just moving, they might be trying to communicate something. Every moment is an opportunity to connect with the divine, and the angels are always ready to communicate in ways we often overlook. An inspiring example is that of a person who, after a challenging period, chose to listen to their heart. During a moment of reflection, they found a white feather in their path. Looking up, they felt the presence of angels by their side, offering protection and love. This experience encouraged them to trust their intuition, and from then on, they began to see every detail around them as a message. And you? What are the angels trying to tell you right now? Having faith in spiritual guidance is an act of courage. It's allowing the divine light to illuminate your path, even when uncertainties loom large. By opening up to this communication, you may discover that every difficulty carries within it an opportunity for learning and growth. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. The angels are here, always ready to support and guide you with unconditional love. And now, as you reflect on these angelic messages, ask yourself, am I truly listening to what the universe is trying to tell me? How about dedicating a few moments of your day to connect with this energy? Light a candle and say, I am open to the messages of my divine guides. In doing so, you'll be creating a sacred space for the light of the angels to enter your life, bringing clarity and peace. Considering all of this, it's important to remember that answers may not come immediately. Patience is a virtue that will be rewarded. When they are ready, the truth will emerge like the sun after the storm, illuminating their path. But what else do the angels have in store for them? This revelation is closer than they imagine, and in the following lines, they will discover how these messages can transform their life in ways they can't even imagine yet. Get ready, because the journey has only just begun. In the midst of a whirlwind of emotions and uncertainties, they may wonder, to what extent can the acceptance of love be a true turning point in their life? Picture yourself in a space where the heart finally opens up, where the light of love seeps into every corner of their soul, bringing along a new perspective. The transformation that comes with this acceptance is more than just profound. It's a change that touches every fiber of their being. When they allow love in, even if it comes disguised as challenges, something magical happens. The weight of insecurities and wounds from the past starts to fade away. It's as if a river of light begins to flow within them, washing away everything that no longer serves them. Feel this image, a gentle, purifying flow that brings forth the beauty that has always been hidden beneath the surface. It's in this space of surrender that the angels make themselves present, guiding and protecting every step they take. Have they ever stopped to reflect on how many times the fear of surrendering to love has kept them from living transformative experiences? Many people face this dilemma. They retreat into shells, building walls around their hearts, believing that this will make them safer. But in reality, true security comes from self-love and being open to receive what the universe has to offer. By letting go of these restraints, they not only allow themselves to love, but also embrace the light that is their essence. And this brings us to a powerful reflection. What would happen if you decided to embrace love in its various forms? How could this impact your relationships, your self-esteem, and even your vision of the future? Imagine yourself holding hands with your insecurities, and with a smile, inviting them to dance with you. This dance is a celebration of acceptance. It is the healing that comes from understanding that you are worthy of love in all its nuances. An inspiring story can illustrate this journey. Once, a woman who always felt inadequate decided to open her heart to the love that surrounded her. Despite being afraid, she realized that the presence of friends and family was actually a form of pure love. By accepting this truth, her life began to transform. She felt more confident, happier, and with each passing day, more light radiated from her being. This acceptance led her to new relationships, opportunities, and above all, to a deeper connection with herself. But what do the angels have in store for you right now? They whisper that accepting love is not just a choice. It is a divine call for you to reconnect with your essence and what truly matters. It is an opportunity to rewrite your story, to turn pain into learning, and loneliness into connection. As you consider this, take a pause. Breathe deeply and place your hand over your heart. Feel the vibrant energy flowing within you. Ask yourself, am I willing to accept love in all its forms? This question might be the first step to a powerful transformation. And as you reflect on this, know that the angels surround you, waiting to light your path. They want you to remember that your light is unique and that you have a purpose to fulfill in this world. Accepting love is the key that can unlock doors you didn't even know existed. Now, I invite you to perform a simple ritual. Light a candle while reflecting on the ways of love you would like to embrace in their life. Let the flame symbolize their intention to open up to new possibilities. And remember, as they finish, the journey of acceptance is ongoing, and with each step they take, a new light shines. Get ready, because what they have in store for them is beyond any expectation.